Hello everyone, how are you? Today's my lunch is fried Atsuage, which means thick fried tofu with veggies. Ingredients: Atsuage 300 grams. Besan Atsuage. Onion 100 grams. Carrot 150 grams. Chinese cabbage 100 grams. Salad oil tablespoon 1. Seasonings A. Juice stock 100 milliliter. Soy sauce tablespoon 1. B. Katakuriko tablespoon 1. Water tablespoon 1. How to cook it? 1. Cut katsuage into 1 centimeter and fry both sides of atsuage in a pan. 2. Put atsuage on a plate after frying them well. 3. Heat the pan, then fry veggies with salad oil and seasonings A. 4. Add pea on the veggies in the pan. 5. After boiling veggies well, put them on the atsuage in the plate. Let's start cooking. Turn on the gas. Heat a pan. Add atsuage into the pan and fry them. Both sides of them. Add salad oil into the pan. Then add veggies into the pan. Pour juice stock 100 milliliter. Mix them. Katakuriko and water. Okay, it's ready for eating. It smells good. Today's my cooking is completed. This is side dish. Fried Atsuage with vegetables. This is my main dish, steamed rice. It's time to eat. Bon appétit. Itadakimasu.